Hey, what's going on, guys? Hope you guys are doing fantastic. Today, just a quick video. I'm going to show you how to swap the sensors, the TPMS sensors, from one wheel to the other. Some of you guys asked for this. I'm going to show you. It's very simple. This is a very quick video. Let's go into it. So recently I bought two new tires to the front. These Kumo tires, very good in my opinion, and the guys in the shop, they didn't ask me, and they just mounted without asking me which one was which. So this 2.1 should be on the other side of the car. So let's just swap the sensors. Very straightforward. So you just need your mobile phone, needs to be paired with the sensor unit. So go there to the tire pressure monitor. So as you can see, 2.1 is on the left side of the car, and in reality it's that tire, so it's the right side of the car. So the only thing you need to do, you just need to press those three dots there and then bind sensor. And I'm going to show you this in real time with the unit there as well. And then just need to swap, and then it will ask you which wheel you want to swap. It's the front right wheel. Yes. And there you go, swap straight away. That's the only thing you need to do. Now we just need to put some pressure on that tire, and that's it. I'm using the 70mai air compressor. Alright, so all done here. Everything is as it should. Hope this video was helpful. If you enjoy it, leave it a like button, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much, guys. Hope I can see you all in the next one.